Hey, it's Rankinmint, and this is my 3D printing status update for Tuesday, August 26th, 2025. It's been a minute, I've been doing live streaming with Sega Genesis hardware. I've been doing gross status updates, right? But yeah, we're gonna get back to it. And so I've got a client, right? And this is my client's printer. And we are going to replace the thermistor. Now, I did a little bit of looking, and that's, as you can see, the culprit. These wires might be shorting or something, or there actually may be a breakage right here, kind of, right? You see how well, you can't really see, but there's like a little kink right there in the red part. And so, likely what's happened is whenever it goes to the middle, I get this sort of error about the min temp sensor. It's not saying min temp bed, so it's not down here, it's actually up here. And so yeah, I'm gonna get the part on Amazon and we'll fix that. And it's pretty straightforward. It's just a matter of remove these two screws, remove this screw, remove this actual 3D printed what is this, shroud, fan shroud, right? And then you'll have exposure to the underlying heat block right here, right? And then with that heat block being exposed, oh wow, look at this. I think this is even a seal in here. Or no, that's not a seal, it's just solid. Yeah, with that heat block exposed, you're going to want to take an Allen key to push out the thermistor and then to replace it. You're going to also have to cut through the zip ties here and to open up this and kind of run down through the sensor and disconnect the sensor from the control board. And so that is what we will be doing. I'm not sure if I'm going to live stream that or not. I mean, I might. However, there's already a lot of people that do a ton of those videos, so I'm not really sure if you need that. Some quick final comments, because I've never actually owned one of these. When I was doing the testing, right, to determine, the failure mode, I got a chance to play around with, the firmware in here and try this out. And I have to say, they've done a really good job on the firmware on, this kind of device as opposed to these Solvols. And, the Solvols also kind of fall along the lines of sort of what the Ender circuit feels like. That's just my quick thoughts, so I can see that. However, this, was maybe 120 to 180 bucks, whereas this is going to be I think 800 to $1,000 bucks. So do with that information as you will. Take care.